Looking for a digital banking platform that promises more but wondering if it actually delivers? Today, we're diving deep into BMTX, a fintech company that claims to modernize banking with services like savings accounts, loans, and tailored solutions for students and educational institutions. Backed by First Carolina Bank, FDIC insured, and even partnered with big names like T-Mobile, at first glance BMTX seems like a strong and trustworthy option. They highlight impressive growth statistics and major partnerships that would make anyone feel confident in trusting them with their money. However, digging deeper reveals a more complicated story. User reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit show a troubling pattern of issues, including frustrating login problems, unexplained fund delays, and poor customer support that leaves users hanging during critical moments. These red flags suggest that while BMTX has a polished image on the surface, real-world experiences may tell a different story. In the end, while the platform offers appealing features and big-name backing, the frequent complaints and unresolved issues can't be ignored. If you're thinking about signing up, make sure to weigh both the strong marketing and the real customer feedback before making any financial commitments.